How to mirror camera in Messenger video call. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can mirror video call. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, you need to open up your Messenger. After that, you just need to head over to the Messenger app. After that, you'll be able to see your home screen. So what you're gonna do is head over and call one of the person, just video call one of the person. And when you hit the video call option, you should be able to see the mirroring option here. If you are not able to see the mirroring option here, what you can do instead is just close the app first. Just head over to the main settings of your device. After that, you just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to see this app section. So what you're going to do is simply hit this app section. And then scroll down until a bit, or you may just search for Messenger here. I'm just going to search for Messenger. After that is done, you just need to go to storage. After that, you'll be able to see this clear data and clear cache option. Just hit on clear cache and try video calling that person again and see if that mirror video call option is available or not. Otherwise, also see that if you have updated the Messenger application or not. So make sure to download the updated version of Messenger as well. And that's it. That's how you basically mirror yourself on video call on Messenger. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.